Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about the best iOS apps, so if you don't want to miss some really useful apps, so make sure to watch the full video till the end, and all the apps download links are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. Welcome to our quick guide on using Canva for iOS. Whether you're a designer or just looking to spice up your social media posts, Canva makes it super easy. First, let's talk about getting started. Download the Canva app from the App Store and sign in or create an account. Once you're in, you'll see a vibrant dashboard filled with templates for everything from Instagram stories to presentations. Navigating the app is a breeze. Simply tap on the template you want, and it'll open up in the editing mode. Here, you can customize text, colors, and images with just a few taps. Want to add your own photos? Just hit the Uploads tab, and you can easily upload images straight from your camera roll. Don't forget the vast library of elements. You can add shapes, icons, and even illustrations to make your design pop. Need a specific font? Canva offers a variety of fonts to choose from, making it simple to find the perfect one that fits your style. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to share. You can download your creation directly to your device or share it right from the app to your favorite social media platforms. So whether you're crafting a flyer for an event or just having fun with graphics, Canva for iOS has got you covered. Okay, let's move towards the second app of the list. We're diving into Snapseed, the powerful photo editing app for iOS that transforms your images with just a few taps. First things first, download Snapseed from the App Store and open it up. You'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. To start editing, just tap the big plus sign to import your photo. You can choose from your camera roll or even open a recent image. Once your photo is loaded, you'll see a range of tools at the bottom. The Tools tab offers everything from basic adjustments like brightness and contrast to more advanced options like healing and perspective correction. Want to make your colors pop? The Tune Image tool lets you adjust exposure, saturation, and even shadows with ease. One of the coolest features is the Selective tool. With this, you can pinpoint specific areas of your photo to enhance, allowing for precise adjustments without affecting the whole image. Just tap the area you want to edit and slide your finger to adjust. Don't miss out on the Filters section. Snapseed has a fantastic selection of filters, from classic black and white to artistic effects. You can fine-tune these filters to get the exact look you want. When you're satisfied with your edits, hit Export to save your masterpiece. You can save it as a copy, share it directly to social media, or even save it back to your camera roll. So whether you're editing for fun or enhancing your professional portfolio, Snapseed has everything you need to make your photos shine. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the third app of the list. Whether you're discovering new tracks or sharing your own music, SoundCloud is the perfect platform for all things audio. First, download the SoundCloud app from the App Store and create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, you'll see a personalized feed filled with music from artists you follow, as well as trending tracks and playlists. To start exploring, just tap the Home tab. Here, you can browse new releases, discover playlists, and even find music based on your mood. Want to search for a specific artist or song? Just hit the search icon and type in what you're looking for. One of the best features of SoundCloud is the ability to create your own playlists. Simply tap on a track you love and hit the Add to Playlist button. You can create new playlists or add to existing ones, making it easy to curate your own listening experience. Now, if you're an aspiring artist, you can upload your music directly from the app. Just tap the Upload button, select your track, add a title, and include some tags. This way, your music can reach listeners around the globe. And don't forget about the social aspect. You can follow your favorite artists, comment on tracks, and even share music with friends. Just hit the share button to post your favorite tracks on social media or send them via messages. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the fourth app of the list. Hey there, binge watchers. Today, we're exploring Hulu for iOS, your go-to app for streaming the latest shows and movies right from your device. First things first, download the Hulu app and log in or create an account. Once you're in, you'll see a sleek, user-friendly interface showcasing trending shows, movies, and Hulu originals. To start watching, just tap on the Home tab. Here, you can browse by genre or explore personalized recommendations based on your viewing history. If you're looking for something specific, the search bar at the top makes it easy to find your favorite series or films. One of the coolest features is the ability to create your own watch list. Just tap the plus icon on any title to add it to your list. This way, you'll never lose track of what you want to watch next. If you're a fan of binge watching, you'll love Hulu's episode stacking feature. When you finish an episode, the next one starts automatically, so you can keep the momentum going. Perfect for those late-night marathons. Hulu also offers the option to download select titles for offline viewing. Just tap the download icon, and you can enjoy your favorite shows even without an internet connection, ideal for travel or commutes. And don't forget about live TV. If you subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV, you can watch your favorite channels and events in real time, right from your iOS device. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the fifth app of the list. Let's talk about staying safe online with NordVPN, the ultimate tool for your digital privacy. Imagine browsing the web without worrying about hackers, trackers, or anyone snooping on your personal data. With NordVPN, you can connect to over 5,000 servers in 60 countries, ensuring you have fast, secure access to the internet wherever you are. One of the coolest features? The automatic kill switch. If your connection drops, NordVPN immediately cuts off your internet access, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. Plus, with military-grade encryption, you can trust that your online activity is shielded from anyone trying to peek in. But it's not just about security. NordVPN also lets you access geo-restricted content. Want to catch your favorite show that's only available in another country? Just connect to a server there, and you're all set. Using the app is super easy, too. Just a few taps, and you're connected. Plus, it works on all major platforms, whether you're using iOS, Android, or even your desktop. And hey, if you're ever unsure, their 24/7 customer support is just a click away. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. If you find this video helpful, so make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button.